Assalamu alaikum class. Today our topic is about the ear. Like the eye, ear is also an important part of the human body. We started the receptors in humans and we discussed the eye in detail, and here the next one is about the ear. So ear is an important organ like the eye, and hearing is important as the vision, so that ear also maintain the equilibrium of the body, also maintain the balance of our body. So ear is an important organ of human's body, and ear is further divided into the three parts: external ear, middle ear, and the internal ear. First of all, external ear. External ear is further divided into the three basic parts: pinna, auditory canal, and the eardrum. The first part is the pinna. Pinna is the external part of the ear, which seen are the naked eyes, and the part of the ear which is present outside the body, which we seen, is known as the pinna. It is made up by the hard cartilage. Cartilage is the type of the soft bone, which and pinna is also covered with the skin. So pinna is the important organ. Its function is to move the sound waves towards the auditory canal. You know that the passageway of the sound waves moves towards the middle ear is the pinna through the auditory canal, and then the sound waves strike with the eardrum and then passes to the middle ear. So pinna is also act as the basic organ or a basic special structure which can passes or moves the sound waves towards the auditory canal. The next one is the auditory canal. And what is auditory canal? This is the form of the long tube, and the glands are present in the auditory canal, and the function of these glands which are present in the auditory canal is to production of the wax. You know that small hair and hair like structures are also present in the auditory canal, and so these hairs which are present in the auditory canal and wax collectively protect the ear towards the external environment and insects and also dust particles which enters in through the pinna in the ear cannot reach to the inner part of the ear, just because due to the wax and the hairs which are present in the auditory canal. So that it also the basic function of the auditory canal to maintain the temperature and the dampness which is present. Maintain the temperature and dampness mean nami, wet, so that the wax and the hairs helps to maintain the temperature and dampness in the auditory canal. So when the sound waves moves through the pinna towards the auditory canal, and then this is the basic part where the sound waves are act, and from here the sound waves further passes towards the eardrum. Then the second part is the middle ear. Middle ear starts from where the eardrum ends. Eardrum is also known as the tympanum. So that middle ear is the chamber which is present after the external ear. It also contains the three bones. The three bones which is present in the middle ear are known as the ear ossicles. These ear ossicles are present in the form of the chain, means line wise. So the first one is the malleus, the second bone is the incus, and the third one is the stapes. So the stapes is also known as the smallest bone of the human body. Malleus is attached with the eardrum, and the stapes is attached with the oval window. This is the pathway from where the sound waves moves towards the inside of the ear or the internal ear, inner ear. So middle ear also communicates with the nasal cavity. The part of the middle ear also communicates with the nasal cavity through a tube, and this tube is known as the eustachian tube. This tube also balances the air pressure inside or outside the ear. So that this is an important tube which is present in the middle ear, is eustachian tube, and this tube connects the middle ear towards the nasal cavity, so that it also balances the air pressure